last unboxing of 2023. Let's get into it. Alright guys, you see this huge box right here. I actually got a crazy steal on this particular sneaker, I guess you could say. I don't know what you want to call this one right here. Before we get into it, man, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. And also, man, I wanted to say, man, thank everybody for coming to the videos, coming to support, coming to hit that like button. Everything counts towards supporting the channel, man. I really do truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. We went crazy all 2023. Took a couple stops, had to take a couple breaks due to, you know what I'm saying, work and stuff like that. But nonetheless, bro, you guys have been showing crazy love all year. And I hope we take this momentum into 2024, you know what I'm saying? That's Kobe year. That's 2024. It's gonna be great, but it's gonna be a great year as far as sneakers, as far as fashion, as far as everything. And hopefully, you know what I'm saying, inflation and all that good stuff go back to, you know what I'm saying, a happy medium so we can all cop the sneakers we want to cop, man. But again, thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing in 2024. And if you guys have not checked out my top 10 Jordan pickups of 2023, man, we got a lot of interaction in that video. I'm gonna tag that video down below in the description box so you guys can go tap in and let me know what your top 10 Jordan pickups of the year are. We already did like a top 10 sneaker release kind of video. I didn't, you know, show too much of the hype stuff because, you know, over here, man, I try to keep it true to the game, you feel me? I don't like tapping in too much of the hype stuff because then I feel like the list won't be honest or true to myself, you feel me? But it was a lot of stuff that came out this year, a lot of dope things. But you guys go tap into the top 10 Jordan release video that we did yesterday. I'm interested in knowing what you guys feel were your top 10 Jordan pickups. Pickups, not releases, but pickups, stuff you added to the collection. Man, I almost forgot the Rambo knife. Hold on, we gotta get the Rambo knife, man, because we got a dope one to unbox for you guys today. We got a super dope one. You guys know when we pull this out, we got something crazy. And these right here retail for $600. I had to look again. I'm like, yo, these retail for $600, and I got them for only $330, I think. I put a bid in for like $300 with all the taxes and fees and stuff like that. Shouts out to the homie Jay the Sneaker Guy. I use this code from StockX, got $15 off, which usually is like, you know, free shipping essentially. So I got it for like 326 bones, and I had to have them, bro. You know what I'm saying? Me, I try to step back a little different, you feel me? And these right here scream different all the way. It's another pair of this model, or not this model, from this creator that I really want. But nonetheless, bro, let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Huge box, bro. This box is huge, man. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. It looked like it's another cardboard box in here, so you guys probably know what we have. I ain't gonna unveil them yet. We can't unveil these things yet. I'm just gonna show you guys the back of the box. Y'all see, bro. Y'all see what we got. Let's go ahead and throw that one to the side right here. And once I show y'all the flip side of this thing, y'all gonna know what we got. But I had to bring this unboxing to you guys. One last unboxing for 2023. This is actually something I purchased probably like 3 weeks ago, or I put a bid in by the beginning of December. They finally picked it up, you feel me, on StockX. Shouts out to them. And let's go ahead and get into it. And once I show y'all the top box, y'all gonna know what it is, man. And check it out, man. We have a pair of Yeezy 950s, and you guys know that's why I was kind of in the beginning of the video, I'm like, is this a shoe or it's more of a boot? So let's go ahead and read the official colorway and size tag. It reads Yeezy 950 M Pirate Black, and Pirate Black, and I got these in a size 9. The homie told me to go true to size in these things, and y'all see, bro. Y'all see what we got, bro. We got some heat. Like I said, these retail for $600. They did release this year on Yeezy Day, and I got them for $300, but they accepted my bid. So let's go ahead and see them, bro. I seen a lot of the homies had these, bro. I said, I gotta get these to the collection. And of course, you have your receipt right here in the box. Y'all need to see none of that. But on $300, like I said, let's go ahead and check them out. And yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. We finally have them, bro. Now, if these don't scream different to you, bro, I don't know what does. But we have the Pirate Black 950 boots. And these look way better in person, bro. Y'all know me, bro. I be stepping out different, and I cannot wait to throw these on. You got some extra laces. Let's go ahead and take these out. You guys can peep the extra laces that came with the 950 boots. Put this back inside the shoe package, but I gotta get a fit, bro. We gotta go crazy with the fit on these right here. Be sure to hit you guys some B-roll, and I'm gonna throw these things on feet for you guys just so you can check them out and see why your boy was going crazy for them. And I really wanted to add these to the collection, bro. So on the back, yes, on the back you do have like your pirate black kind of hit on the sneaker, you know, with the Pirate Black 350, V1s, and the V2s. You got the little red dots to go on the back of the sneaker. And you just do have that kind of like that pull tab. And these things are pretty hefty, bro. Pretty hefty. But again, I need them, bro. I don't want to wear no more Timbs. I kind of phased out of the Timberland phase, and I had to get something different. But look at the details. Look at the ridges. Look at the whole makeup and craftsmanship of this 950 boot. You got like the nylon or like ballistic mesh, whatever you want to call it, on the upper. I think it's more like a nylon material. And this joint look pretty much all waterproof. And I'm trying to figure out if when I rock them, I'm going to throw the pants over it or if I'm going to tuck the pants in. That was my biggest dilemma. I'm like, yo, how am I going to rock this one? You know, with the Timbs, usually, you know, so the pants go inside of the boot. You loose lace some joints, but I'm not too sure on how we're going to style these things right here. But you know, if anybody can do it, your boy DaVinci can definitely pull these guys off, man. Look at this right here, bro. This material, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it matches the midsole. And it kind of like the midsole goes up into the upper of the sneaker right here, as you guys can see. It's like this weird material, which I don't know what it is. Feels like almost a rubber, like it's rubber all the way around the majority of the midsole, and it lead up to this, like, you know, nylon material on the actual upper of this boot right here. Make sure nothing else came inside the box. I'm pretty sure it didn't, besides of course your StockX sticker and your receipt. Yes sir, there's nothing else in there. And man, it almost seems like it's some more cushion on the inside, and they don't feel that uncomfortable, if I'm being honest with y'all. You got Adidas Yeezys on the insole, but then checking out the outsoles, bro. These is crazy, bro. This is literally screams boot all day, and it kind of screams like more of a, you know, designer type feel to the boot that you're rocking. Go ahead and check out the outsoles on these right here. I know this is something totally different than what I'm used to showing on the channel, but you know, sometimes I want to step out, get something different. You know, how to get these, how to get the Air Fleet 2 CPFMs, you know, something different to where it's not just Jordans, because I'm kind of overly consumed by J's, so I got to step out a little different, grab something, you know, say on the exotic end, you feel me? And I know for sure whenever I do pull this fit out, which is probably gonna be here within the next couple of days, because it's probably the coldest it's ever gonna get here in Georgia, I know the fit is gonna be valid. And I'm trying to see what's the difference between these laces and the laces that came with them. Like, I think it's literally the same exact laces. I don't see any differences. These might be even a little darker, but other than that, they look the same, bro. You wanna check that out, bro. The laces on the boot and the laces that came extra with it look exactly the same. So maybe it's just some extra laces they threw in here. But nonetheless, man, like I said, had to have them, had to bring this unboxing to you guys. Wasn't gonna go too crazy, just like hyping them up or anything like that. This is literally a personal cop that I wanted to bring to the channel. You guys know I try to unbox almost every single thing. I don't always do that because a lot of stuff I do be buying, you probably won't watch. But for this video, I thought it was super dope that these retail for 600 bucks, and I got them for only $300, bro. That's a huge steal, bro. That's a huge steal, almost half. That's literally half off. But if you add the fees and stuff like that, the shipping, there's a little bit over half price from the retail value that Yeezy put these at. And then one last thing that I wanted to point out is, like I said, you got that rubber on pretty much the entire midsole, but then we lead to like the lacing situation, the lacing debacle that they got going on. It's almost like a little nubuck material on the entire lacing system, leading all the way to the upper, man. So I can't wait to see how I style these. I can't wait to see what I do with these as far as, you know, saying rocking them, because I know it's gonna be an interesting one for me, a little bit challenging, but I want to get something other than Timberlands, and I feel like these right here is definitely something different, and the Yeezy 950 boot are just super dope. And it's also another pair of Yeezy boots that I want. I'm gonna put a screenshot up right here, but it is the Adidas Yeezy Knit Runner boot. So if you guys have a size 9 or size 10 that you guys are willing to sell, please hit your boy up. I can't, you know what I'm saying, go another couple weeks or a month without having these. I don't know what it is. Something telling me to just buy them, bruh. I know I wanted the knit runners, but then when I seen the knit boot runner, I said, bruh, something I definitely gotta have, but the prices are pretty steep. You ain't paying $300 like you paying for the Pirate Black 950s. You gotta pay at least $600-700 for these knit runners. So if you guys, you know what I'm saying, hit your boy up, maybe work a trade or something like that. Something I'm definitely willing to add to the collection for 2024. And I only got a couple of months of this little cold weather, if you want to call it that, here in Georgia. So please, man, if you guys have them, hit your boy up. I need them knit runner boots. Some things that's super tough, super different, and I want to style them joints. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Like I said, all the support from the beginning of the year, January 1st, all the way to December 31st. It's been a crazy, surreal moment for me. Crazy growth on YouTube. Went from like 70 to 80,000 subscribers. So hopefully next year we can go from that 80 to 100K. But nonetheless, still gonna bring this dope content to you guys. It's what I truly love to do, talk about sneakers and share my experiences with you guys. So again, man, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. And so with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.